Hello everyone, myself Navneet Kumar Singh and I am teaching you heat and mass transfer for your GATE examination. So my dear students, let us see a good question on Prandtl number, and these kind of simple questions have been asked in GATE, my dear students. Let us see. Let us see. For flow of fluid over a heated plate, the flowing fluid properties are given. That is viscosity he has given, specific heat at constant pressure he has given, and conductivity of the fluid he has given. So he has given all the properties which are necessary for your Prandtl number calculation. Okay. The hydrodynamic boundary layer thickness at a specified location on the plate is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. So my dear students, he have given you the hydrodynamic boundary layer thickness. The thermal boundary layer thickness over the same location will be. So let us see. So what he is asking, the thermal boundary layer thickness. So he has given you the hydrodynamic boundary layer thickness. Boundary layer thickness he has given, my dear students. Boundary layer thickness he has given. That is equal to how much? That is equal to delta hydrodynamic is equal to 1 millimeter, my dear students. Let us analyze it. If there is a hot plate, my dear students, if there is a hot plate and over this hot plate, my dear students, what is happening? The fluid is flowing. The fluid is flowing. If fluid is flowing over this hot plate, my dear students, let us say a cold fluid is flowing. So fluid is flowing over this plate, my dear students. So what will happen? There will be some boundary layer, my dear students. Yes or no? There will be some boundary layer generation. Yes. This type, there will be some boundary layer. Let us say this is your hydrodynamic boundary layer HBl. So thickness of hydrodynamic boundary layer delta hydrodynamic he have given, and he is asking at the same location what will be the thickness of the thermal boundary layer, my dear students. Thermal boundary layer. So first of all, let us see. At the same location he is asking. You can use the trick. Without touching anything, you can do this question. Why? Because he is asking at the same location. That means the thermal boundary layer must be on top of this, my dear students, like this. So on the top of this, there will be HBl and there will be TBl, my dear student, thermal boundary layer. So what will be there? So the thickness of both, that is your thermal boundary layer and hydrodynamic boundary layer, will be same. So question have been done. So this will be 1 millimeter only. But let us do the calculation. What will happen? Let us see. Now this is your trick. This is your concept, so that you can easily, by looking at the question, by reading the question, you can give the answer in 1 second, my dear students. But now let us calculate the values. So Prandtl number you have to see. So we know that PR is equal to mu Cp by K, my dear students. Or let us understand first that we know that delta hydrodynamic by delta thermal is equal to nothing but PR to the power 1 by 3. PR to the power 1 by 3. Delta hydrodynamic is given, my dear students. So can we calculate delta thermal? Yes, if we will know the value of PR, that is Prandtl number. So Prandtl number is given by what? Mu Cp by K of fluid, my dear students. But that is given in Pascal second. That will become what? Newton second per meter square. That means mu is already given. Mu is already given. By looking at the unit, you can understand that is your dynamic viscosity. So let us see. So mu is given to be 0.001, my dear students. Multiply by Cp is given into 1000, my dear students. That is 1 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So this will become 1, my dear students, or no? Yes, this will become 1. Divided by Kf. Kf is given 1. So this value will be equal to 1. So the value of PR is coming to be 1. That is delta hydrodynamic by delta thermal is equal to 1 to the power 1 by 3, which is equal to 1, my dear students. That implies at the same location, the hydrodynamic boundary layer and thermal boundary layer will be same. At same location, my dear students. At same location. So these kind of simple questions will be asked, and you can do the question by your concept also. and you can do the question by calculation also. So first of all, see whichever is applicable, and you can use your like concepts to solve these questions, and this will be like simple questions. This is a simple question, my dear students, and only he is just checking your Pentel number concept, my dear students. So thank you so much.